Welcome, keyboarding students. Mr. G here. We're ready to start our walkthrough for word processing lesson 5, which is changing the paragraph line spacing. So I've already got my screen set up, split with my lesson on the left side and my blank Word document on the right. If you want to see how I did that, check out the video link in the Seesaw activity. There's a link there for you. Okay, number 1 right here, we're going to choose our favorite movie and research it using the internet. We're going to write a summary on the paper that includes an introduction, a body, discussing the main plot points and lead characters, and a conclusion explaining how the movie ends. The summary should be no less than 175 words and no more than 300. So we're going to use a word count tool. It's going to help us know exactly how many words we've typed. Number 2, create a new word processing document and save as WP. Lesson 5. There we go. Upper left-hand corner, change the file name right there. Of course, Google Docs saves automatically. Number 4. I skipped 3. There you go. Number 3, unless otherwise stated, use the default font and size of the word processing software being used. Number 4, change the line spacing to single with no additional spacing before or after paragraphs. And we've been doing that on our documents so far. Number 5, on the first line of the title, type your first and last name and hit enter. Number 6, type the lesson number and title movie summary. Then hit enter. Number 7, type bold and center align the title of the movie of your summary is about. So I'm going to go to center, bold, center align the title. I'm going to use the example. I'm going to type the example. 8. Starting one line below the title, type the movie summary you created in step 1. One line below. Except I'm going to tell you, does it tell you to change it? It says starting one line below, type in the movie. Okay, we should be back to left aligned. Okay. All right, one line below, and then we will start typing. I notice my bold is still on, so I need to turn that off. I'm just going to double click there and turn it off. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going to go back through, check my spelling. We learned how to check for the grammar, the blue squigglies and the red squigglies. In our last lesson, remember to know what word you're looking for when you're replacing. Make sure it fits in the sentence. Okay, I have finished typing the document from line 8. We're ready to pick up from step 9. Change the line spacing of the entire document to double space. So we can, the entire document, I can start at the top, click, highlight to the bottom. That would select all. I can also hit Control A Control A is a shortcut to select all the text. And then it tells us that to all the text, we're going to get double spaced. So we're going to go to our line spacing we went to before and click double. We also want to make sure, I'm going to go to custom spacing, before and after, still 0. Okay. Double spaced. Let's see what else it says. Number 10, use word count to verify your document meets the minimum and maximum requirement. So I'm going to go to the menu bar at the top, Tools, Word Count. It's one of our options in the drop-down menu, Word Count. Okay, so it tells us that we have one page. Our words are 302. So our text is under 300 because we have our words up here. It does include our name and the word lesson and the title. So we are good. We're going to tell it OK. At the bottom of your document, list the sources that you use to research your movie. And we're not going to get into documentation format. So what I'd like to do just at this time is I'm going to put the website that I used. Okay. All right. I'm just going to put the website at the bottom. That'll be my resource. Okay. We're going to proofread for accuracy, and this up here based on, it gives me a little squiggly there, but that's what I want to say. It's based off the book. So yep, that's what I want to use. So I'm going to right click and ignore. There we go. Okay. Looks good. All right, so I'm done. I am going to go to the share button in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to change the link to Lake Hamilton. Anyone at Lake Hamilton can view that. Copy the link. And then we'll go to our seesaw and paste it in there. Okay. And there's a video on how to do that in seesaw as well. All right. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'd love to help you.